In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can fix your Google storage full problem. So basically, if you want to do this totally for free, what you're going to want to do is you're going to need to find alternatives for yourself. Now, as you can see, my account storage is almost full. It's 80% used. And what I can do is I can either free it up or I can either get new storage. So the first way is to free your account storage up. Now you can free your account storage up by going ahead and deleting things. Like as you can see on my Google Drive, I have tons and tons of storage over here. So you can go over to your Google Drive, and once you're in your Google Drive, go to your storage and delete all these big files, the files that you don't want. Okay. And once you've deleted that, obviously that will clear up storage. But if you want more storage, you can either obviously buy their plan, but that's something you need to invest money in. These are the plans. They're quite cheap, but still, it's money. If you want to do it for free, here's what you're going to want to do. So for this, what you do is you basically go ahead and create a new account. And once you create that new account, you go ahead and back up all these things, half it up, and send it to that new Google account that you've created. And now you have extra space for yourself because each Google account gets 15 gigabytes of space, which is enough for you to, divide your data and back it up. So that is pretty much about it. That is how you can fix your Google full storage problem for free. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.